If you are not doing this, Hamster Combat will not pay you. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing a lot of tension regarding your Hamster Combat account. This is crucial because Hamster Combat will not pay you if you're not doing these things correctly. And it's important to take the right steps to keep it safe, especially since the airdrop is coming soon. The first step you need to take is to ensure that you've connected your wallet. This is the most important thing you need to consider. If you don't know how to do that, I've made a video on it, and I'll leave the link in the description below. The second thing you need to avoid is using Autoclickers. Many of you are still using Autoclickers even though the airdrop is launching soon. Hamster Combat is banning accounts that use Autoclickers, so you need to avoid them to keep your account safe. Next, you need to avoid the use of BS cheating. BS cheating refers to the use of bots or scripts to artificially generate friends or other in-game advantages. It's a form of cheating that goes against the game's fair play policy. Some users are generating friends on Hamster Combat using BS methods, which is not advisable. If you're using BS to generate friends, stop immediately. Hamster Combat can easily identify these accounts and will ban them. Lastly, avoid using multiple accounts on one device. While having multiple accounts isn't wrong, having them on one device is. Hamster Combat can identify and ban accounts that are being used on the same device. So make sure to use only one account per device to keep your account safe. So those are the steps you need to take to keep your Hamster Combat account safe and ensure you receive your MSTA tokens when they launch. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.